Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the topic report, and by the end, you will have all the insights you need. So grab a seat, hit the like button, and let's get started. So to see the reports, you have to first come in the task and project tab, and after coming in the task and project tab, you can click on the more option, and you can visit the report section. In the report section, you have the standard reports. You can get daily, weekly, and monthly report from your team members, accept or decline them, write your comments and notes, and evaluate employee performance by rating their. You can just click on the report name, and here you can see how much the time is spent on a project and what are the name of the project on which the specific employee is working. You can make the custom reports using the report wizard, and you can create custom report from department and even individual employee with custom fields. You can also import it. You can import any file from here. You have to just need to upload the file which is with the extension .csv. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. For more content, drop your thoughts or question in the comment below, and I will see you in the next one.